First question, select the right match of endocrine glands and their hormones of among the options given below. Now this column is for the endocrine glands and this column is for the hormones. We have to match and see the correct option. Now A, the pineal gland. It secretes the hormone melatonin. This melatonin regulates sleep. Next, B, that's a thyroid gland. It releases tetraiodothyronine hormone. That's the fourth point. This tetraiodothyronine regulates body weight, energy level, skin, hair, nail growth, etc. Now the C, that's ovary. It releases estrogen as a hormone. This estrogen helps to develop and maintain the reproductive system and female characteristic. Then the last D, adrenal medulla. So it releases epinephrine, which controls the flight or fight response. Now looking at the correct option, A2. So it's there in B and D option. Then B4. It's there in B and D option. Now C third. It's there in D and D1. So correct answer among the given option is option D, which states pineal gland releases melatonin, thyroid gland releases tetraiodothyronine, ovary releases estrogen, and adrenal medulla releases epinephrine. Moving towards the next question. The correct set of single endocrine gland hormone is. Now oxytocin and ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, is secreted from posterior pituitary gland, while vasopressin is another name of ADH. So if we look, oxytocin, vasopressin and ADH, they all are same. So it's the correct set of single endocrine gland hormone. So correct answer is option B. Looking towards the next question. Hypersecretion of GH, that's a growth hormone, from pituitary gland in the adult causes a disease called. So hypersecretion of the growth hormone or somatotropic hormone during adulthood cause acromegaly. Acromegaly patient has gorilla-like appearance with huge hands and leg. So the correct answer among the given option is option B. Now the next question. Match the hormone in column 1 with their functions in column 2. So now this column 1 gives idea about different hormones, and here we have to choose the correct one for the functions. So first, that's FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. It's responsible for maturation of Graafian follicle during menstruation cycle. So it's fifth point. Next, B, that is LH, luteinizing hormone. It regulates development of corpus luteum, that is 4. Next, C, that's progesterone. It is responsible for the preparation of endometrium for implantation. That's the first point. Then next and the last hormone, D, that's the estrogen releases by ovary. It helps or regulates the development of female secondary sexual character. So it's point 2. Now looking at the option A5, it's there in option A and D. Then B4, it's there in option A only. Then C1 and D1. So the correct answer among the given option is option A. And the last question, Match column 1 hormone with column 2 endocrine gland and column 3 the respective function. So we have to see the first column for the hormone melatonin. So first, melatonin is released by the gland pineal. So that's B, and its function is to maintain diurnal rhythm of our body. That's third point. Now looking at second, from the hormone, that's MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. It's released by pituitary gland. That's C, and its function is to act on the melanocytes. That's the fourth point. Now the third, that's aldosterone. It is released by the adrenal gland. So it's B, and its function is to act on the renal tubule. That's point 1. And the last hormone, that is TCT, thyrocalcitonin. It is released by a thyroid gland. That's A point, and its function is to regulate blood calcium level. So it's point B. Now looking the option 1, D and 3. So it's there in option B only. 1D3, 2C4, 3B1 and 4A2. So it's the correct pair and the correct answer is option B.